Hey guys, it's Samantha Gilbert today, and I'm here to show you my whiteboard. So my interactive whiteboard is all about animals' appetite. Carnivore, herbivore, omnivore. So you have to match each sticky note for each animal's appetite. So for example, here is, if you scroll in a little bit to see better, you can put this on carnivore. I as well have links. The information goes right to YouTube and shows them an interactive video of the students. Oh, there's a commercial. But it shows them right to how carnivores eat and some information on the lesson for that. Then you can move the second sticky note to herbivore, which is the correct answer for the elephant. But you also have another interactive video for the herbivore for the zebra. Click on this link, as well leads to a YouTube video as shown before. There's also I added my think link for another component to my lesson right here with the link. Sends you right to it. And this is another interactive chart on information on animals for a follow-up on my lesson. This is another video as well I have linked to my presentation. And that is like more of like an overall information on animals, and each of them is about animals' appetite, and it goes more across as a timeline to show the students like which animal has like the meat diet, the vegetable diet, or some animals like the omnivore, which goes over to the hog right over here with the sticky note. He eats meat and vegetables. So the most interactive thing about my whiteboard is that the students can each put the sticky note on each answer. The tiger, the zebra, the hog, and the lion. And they can each click on the YouTube videos and create more information for their minds to learn more about the lesson as they go across each sticky note and each picture for the iPhone frame. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy it.